Good morning, respected elders, and my dear friends of Bolneni Hillside. On this special day, as we celebrate India's Independence Day, we remember the great sacrifices made by countless freedom fighters. We know about Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, and Bhagat Singh. But today, I want to tell you about a brave young man many people have not heard of, Babu Genu Sad. Babu Genu was born in a poor farmer's family in Maharashtra in 1908. He did not have much money, but he had something more valuable, love for his country and courage in his heart. During those days, India was under British rule, and the British would bring goods from England to sell here, crushing our own Indian industries. Our freedom fighters had started the Swadeshi movement, asking people to use goods made in India and to boycott foreign goods. One day in December 1930, a truck loaded with foreign clothes was being taken to Mumbai under heavy police protection. The local people who supported the boycott were protesting. Babu Genu was among them. He stood in front of the truck and shouted, "These goods are made in England while our weavers starve. They should not enter our markets." The police ordered the driver, who was British, to move the truck. Babu Genu refused to move aside. Even when warned that he would be run over, he stood firm, shouting slogans for India's freedom. The driver did not stop, and a truck crushed him to death. Babu Genu became a martyr at just 22 years old. His sacrifice sent a wave of anger and inspiration across the country. He showed us that true patriotism is not just in words, but in the courage to stand up for what is right, even if it means giving your life. Today, as we live in a free India, we must remember heroes like Babu Genu. They may not be in our school textbooks, but their bravery is written in the history of our freedom. The best way to honor them is by loving our country, supporting what is made in India, and standing united for justice. On this Independence Day, let us salute not only the famous leaders, but also the unsung heroes like Babu Genu, who gave us the gift of freedom. Jai Hind!